guys, I'm gonna collect every single bird on beaks. And I already have a cherry crow, parrot, sparrow, parrot. You might seem that, how do you get cherry crow? Just completing the task from the start. So, let's see. Let's try to get a flipping, hairy bird, hairy eagle. See an eagle right there. Oh, what the heck? Right there. Falcon. Falcon. Virgin falcon. That one's fast. I know that one. Bro, I can't hit that. For on, I'm just gonna target those guys right there. That is just, I don't know what they're doing. And I can't hit them. They're probably like stuck or something. So let's find a hairy falcon. And let's see. Can I jump on this, please? There we go. So, might seem right. Oh my god. So dumb. Wait, I hear an eagle. I think I saw an eagle.
Sit down there.
I hear an eagle, chat. Where's the eagle?
You finished it,
Wait,
yeah.
let me go. I'll be back. Or I finally made it. Okay. Just get that one over there. Ooh, that one. So let's get the easiest one first. And it's literally that one right there. Right there. Come over here, dude. Yeah. I don't know why it's a falcon. So easy to get. Yeah. Give me that falcon boy. Oh my god. Start to shoot. Whoa! Oh my god. Get a knife, please! Please. Oh my god, I got it. I got it, chat. Okay, I got it. Oh my god, I'll be back, chat. It's over there. Yes, I finally got it! Oh my god. Okay. It's a little bit tricky, but I don't know why. Okay. I already got that. Now, next up is, that one right there. See eagle right there. Swear that's an eagle. Swear if it's like a falcon or something. Oh, no way. Right there. Ah. Oh my god. Oh, this one. Okay. I give up that one. Oh, there. Oh, that's a falcon, bro. Okay, so the goal is, it's got to find a flipping falcon. Okay, I'll flip it. You go somehow. Keep seeing so much falcon. Get down right there. Get down. Ooh, there's spot. Let me get that from my collection. Sorry. Okay, I got hairy fox. Get down with that. Falcon. Oh my god. I'll tell you after I say. Never mind, over there. Wow. Ah. Is that eagle right there? Oh, buzzard. Okay. You stay on, like, yeah. Come over here, boy. I'm a hunter. I don't know why I keep missing. After struggling for a while, now I found it, finally. Scored, and oh my god, that's a hairy bird too. I finally found it. I forgot to record, but I still, oh my god. Now let's get to the duck section. Yep, I said duck section. Let's go. I need that one. Where's that bird at? That bird. Duck on the bird. Hold on. Look at the bird. Stop right here. Where are you? Oh, there's a snowfish. Where are those? Oh god, please, bro. A long time. Oh my god, these are hard to catch. They're really small, bro. But how much damage do we? Okay, let's go. The duck section. And what the heck? Okay, I need that. Oh, wait, whoa. That's a new creature. Oh my god, what is that? Okay. Something blocking me. Let me get that one. So quick reminder, I'm just gonna say to you, I'm a small content creator because I need to be making money so I can be like rich, you know. Sometimes those YouTubers only go so far. So I upload those Roblox videos such as I'm doing right now. And that's all. Bye. Oh my god, oh my god. Guys. I found a god flamingo. Oh my god. 259. Oh, it was a legendary, chat. Wait. What is this? Flamingo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now I just needed all the birds on this side of the map. Yeah, and let's move to another location.
Next week ka mo, wala pa na wala sa gamot.
It's high in the mountains. Yep. It's pretty hard. Yeah. That is really hard. And I don't know what to do. Not gonna lie. Let me see what to do. Okay, I got already those birds. Koi Lake. Okay, there we go. We're at Koi Lake, chat. Okay, Koi Lake is this side. Yep. Okay, going to this path. We're at Koi Lake. So we're at Koi Lake right now. Let's see if I don't have any flipping bird tire here. I already got a pigeon. I thought it was like a new bird. Wait, oh my god. Okay, we're finally, bro. Oh my god, see one. What's that? Oh my god. What's that? Oh, that one fast. This box is really awesome. I already got that. Just wondering. I already got that bird. Okay, let's see some bird here. Wait, do I have offspring? I don't think so. Not one. It's just what? I see it.
Hindi ko kasi alam yung ano yung Johnny kung ano.
Gold spotted pigeon. Let's go. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Gold spotted pigeon. Oh my god. This one was hard to get. Okay. There were high up the sky. Yep, I'm for real. Okay, let me see. Oh, what's that? I'm just wondering. Oh, there we go. Goldfinch. Swear, I saw frogs before here. Can I swim? No, I can't swim in this water. Bro, you're literally just walking here. Yo. Oh my god, please. Oh my god. I found it, chat. Deadlands. Found it. Oh, this is gonna be stinky. Oh my god. Yeah. It's a bone. It's crazy. I need to find a bird here. Oh my god. What is it? I can't see anything. I swear, bro. I don't even see anything like that. Bro. What do I see? How many birds are in this game, bro? There's a lot to see. Oh, I'm going up this thing. Okay, let me go up here. Okay, there's no anything. What's that? Wait, what's that? Ooh, oh my god. New creature. Found a new one. What's that? What's that?
Kay nagtawag ako, dalawang beses ako na.
Oh my God!
Talagang
Let's go,
wala
let's
pa
go, let's go.
nagpadala si
Let's go.
Tiyo Jani.
I found it,
Wala
I found
pa
it.
man. Tapos
Let's go.
naman ako ulit. Wala
I
pa
knew it
talaga
was in
nagpadala
this
si Tiyo
land.
Jani. Wala.
Let's go. Bro, come out. Oh my god. Keeps going this back and forth. Yep. Keep doing that, boy. Let's go, skeleton pigeon. How real is that? Where's the skeleton pigeon? Right there. Oh my god.
At saka wala man ka muna mangkot, pero gapi na mangkot kasi ila wala man sila gasugid.
Oh my god.
Tikalon yan. Tapos ang isa pa ba? Yung sa
Bisa.
yan yung una. Kaya ikaw po na wala ko nang padala sa nakabulan.
Ooh, you picture that? Anyone? Wait up. Oh my god, it's hard. Welcome. Oh my god, it's so hard to get. Which way, bro? Oh my god, where do I hit you from? Oh my god. Down right there. There. Right there. Strike it, please. Strike it. Oh my god. I would have done this. Go up this mountain.
Kaya sabi ko, di ba nagkuhan sa inyo mo? Di ba bumili ng sa mukha mo ako? Wala kang pera. Nasa mo tayong tiwala sa inyo? Wala na. Sabi niya, kasi wala pa, hindi pa nakuha sa sabaw yung kukuha ninyo na isang lang nyo na. Yung hindi pa mangingit nyo na. Di ba dyan na yung
Down there. Oh my god. Bro, these are so hard to get. You know? Bro, how much blood do I need? Oh my god. I'll be back. I got it. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know, it took me to get that. Oh my god. It was an eagle. Wow, I like it. It's an eagle. See this dictionary. What is this?
Sige man, kay tao ba?
Skeleton. Skeleton pigeon. Where's the skeleton eagle? Where's the skeleton eagle at? Right there. It's an epic. Yeah, I spent all my time. Yeah. Definitely not spend all my flipping lifetime. Yeah, to find that. Yeah. Yeah.
Nag-send ka sa akong isang imong mabayaran.
Right there.
No yun, handwriting
Okay.
bayaran.
Where's this? Oh, no way. No way. No way. Let's see what it costs. $4.29.
Kay kakaon ka
Oh
man.
my god.
Uga pa ngayo.
Oh my god. I got legendary chat. I got a legendary. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm saving this. I'm literally saving it,
Talin mo
bro.
lahat